Notion is a versatile productivity tool and it's fully customizable. And if you're a lover of all things pretty, let's create an aesthetic Notion template from scratch. Firstly, I'd like to share with you my favorite resources where I find inspiration, aesthetic images, illustrations, GIFs, icons, and Notion widgets. Before creating my template, I look up on Notion templates on Pinterest for some inspiration and ideas. For Notion widgets, I love using Indify. If you want pretty icons, go to Notion VIP. You can switch between light and dark mode icons easily. You can find many aesthetic GIFs on Giphy, and it's easy to copy their links to use in your Notion templates. To find images that suit my template mood, I go to Unsplash and search for terms like aesthetic or aesthetic plus a color name. I do the same on Pexels when I don't find what I want on Unsplash. To find illustrations and graphics for my Notion templates, I go to RawPixel. This website offers free and premium design assets. Watch a time-lapse on how I created an aesthetic Notion home template with widgets, images, and a weekly planner. I like my Notion dashboards clean and organized, and it's possible to make them aesthetic too. Here, I used only 2 widgets so the page doesn't look messy. This homepage holds my other 2 Notion templates I shared for free in previous videos. I will put their links both in this video description and in the cards forward. This is my aesthetic Notion template. If this video is helpful for you, please like it to help YouTube spread it to more creative people. Thanks for watching and bye bye!